we call those facet joints right here that are just locked up. Good news is we got them unlocked.
Yeah.
Then you also said you're kind of getting pain that shoots up to the head.
Yeah, from
it
my
feels
left
like
side.
a headache.
Yeah.
Okay. Right here. Take a deep breath in and out. Oh, dear Lord. That one moved a ton. How'd that feel?
Good.
A little rough on that one.
Yeah, that one hurt a little bit.
And out. There we go. Good. Wonderful there. I've been that way. Any pain?
It's real tight on my left side.
Okay. Turn all the way. Wonderful.
It's crazy.
It's kind of nuts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Back a little bit more. Back, back, back. Here we go. Get that way. That's a lot more motion.
Yeah, it's a lot. I mean, it's tight, but it's a lot looser, it feels.
Do you feel that,
Mm-hmm.
besides the little pull, do you feel a little pain still?
Mm-mm.
Very good.